Alright, I wanted to do something different with the recording from today. This is from Thursday, August 31st. This mistake that I made today is the main reason why I listen to mindset coaching when I'm trading. If you stop by the stream, or if you want to stop by the stream in the future, I'm not much of a talker. I don't do much talking. I do got the mic. It's ready there to talk to you guys if you have questions or just want to chat. But for the most part, I am listening to mindset coaching when I trade. The reason that I listen to mindset coaching is to control my fear and doubt. It's the main reason why paper trading is really easy and trading real money is extremely difficult. It's the only difference is what's going on in your head. So in this example, we're in a big uptrend. We're getting to a point where I'm certain that we're going to get a leg down here. Whether it's a full reversal, whatever, I don't know, but I'm certain that this is going to go down. So what happens is we get up here, we start breaking down, and I jump in this trade. Very convinced this is going to leg down at least to the psych level. Plenty of room for me to take a profitable trade on. Nothing really to worry about. But what happens after I enter the trade is I start getting emotional. I go into a little bit of drawdown. It starts pulling back up. Is this going to turn into a breakout to the upside where in an uptrend I shouldn't have gone short? And the fear and doubt starts to set in. Now, instead of controlling that and letting this play out as I forecasted it to do, I end up bailing out of this trade before I get, so I had $150 risk with that stop loss there. I end up bailing out of this for about negative $100 because now I'm scared. I'm doubtful. Was I wrong? Was my entry point wrong? Is this just going to leg up? How did I make another mistake? This looked so good 30 seconds ago. Why is it going up? Controlling those emotions turns this into a $400 profitable trade instead of a $100, $120 loss. But the solutions that I'm taking to remedy the fear and the emotions of my trading is, number one, is meditation. Guided meditations, they are infinitely available on YouTube, and I meditate at least once a day. Basically, lay down for, say, a 30-minute nap, guided meditation. I go through that 30, 45 minutes every single day. I use different ones every day. You can literally just search on YouTube for guided meditations, hypnosis, for things like fear of failure, fear of success, anxiety, literally anything you could think of. You can find a meditation that you'll like. Save them in a folder. I watch the same 10 or 15 over and over and over again. Again, like I mentioned, the other thing is mindset coaching. I mean, I'm sitting at my computer every day for a minimum of 3 hours trading. So what better time to work on mindset than while I'm trading? If I'm there for 3 hours anyway, I can get 3 hours of mindset training in every single day while I'm trading. Why not kill two birds with one stone? The third thing I did is a little more physical. As far as the trading goes, is I removed all P&L, account balance, any indications of money from my platform. So when you're looking at my platform, you'll see that when I'm in trades, it has no dollar amount, plus or minus. My account balance and profit and loss are not visible. I have to manually open them. I don't want to think about things in terms of money when I'm trading whatsoever. I did that about 3 weeks ago. And eventually here I'll show you my top step trend, but it has been significantly better. Nothing but an uptrend with 2 little pullbacks for 2 losing days, but it has significantly changed my trading for the better. So those are 3 things I wanted to share with you that have been helping me. Hopefully they will be helping you, because I know that if you're on YouTube and you're trading, you are going to be struggling with these things. Even if not now, you will struggle with them at some point. So these are a few of the solutions that I'm working on to try to fix that. So like I said, if you ever stop by my stream when I am streaming, I have a mic. I'm not talking much. I'm listening to mindset videos, so I have YouTube Premium, so there's no commercials, which is nice. But that's what I'm playing the entire time. I listen to it every single day, and it has been making a significant improvement in my trading. So instead of doing a recap, I just wanted to share that with you. And to touch on this, there's also a TikTok here that hopefully you can hear, but I figured I'd give it a shot. But it kind of touches on fear, so we're going to close with this and just take a listen to this, and I will see you guys next time.
Trading without fear is a psychological skill. It is a skill that the professionals have acquired, and they have evolved beyond the kind of mindset that the typical trader operates out of. What's the difference between a pro basketball player who can stand at the free throw line and hit 20 in a row, where the thing about the variables are fixed? The line and the basket and the distances, they're all fixed. And they've got the motor skills to be able to hit 10, 15, 20 in a row, but they get into a situation where there's 1 second left and the score is tied, and this basket is going to win the game, and he chokes. The guy that doesn't choke has a psychological skill that the other one doesn't.